begin. And here we go, good luck. On your mark.
Boys, Division 4 in Prelims, Heat 1. And as we mentioned, the top 5 teams automatic qualifiers right to the front there in the white top and the purple shorts. That's the top-ranked team in the section. Cathedral, the Delray League champions. They also were the Mount Sac Division 4 team champions this year. They averaged 16:37 on that day when they won the
Let's go, Jesse.
Let's go, Jesse.
Let's go, Jesse. Let's go,
there you go, Luna.
Let's go, Harvard.
Let's go, August. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
There you go, Andrew. Work your way up. Good job. That's 4. That's where Ray is.
Let's go, Timmy. Let's go.
Let's go, Tim. Work this. You're doing well.
Good job,
buddy.
Doing
well.
Good job. Let's go, Joseph.
Okay, Joe, you got to attack this, man. Let's go. Let's go.
Joseph. Let's go, Aaron.
Aaron, come on. Let's go. Don't get caught in no.
Catch him on the downhill. Here we go, babe. Come on. Down. Two more. 3 seconds, Aiden! No words, you guys do the count. Let's go! Let's go! Come on! Back up! Pick it up! Get some movement! Come on, DJ! Come on, Katie! Get out there! Logan! DJ, stick with them!
Keep it
Go,
up!
Logan! Come on, Logan! DJ! Let's go!
to next Saturday's championship final. El Segundo and Burroughs with 2 runners in the top 15, and Cathedral with 4 scores now in the top 16. And Emmanuel Perez will be our winner from Cathedral, 15:55. Sauder from Burroughs second at 16:10. Benedict Notre Dame third, 16:17. Max Smith of Laguna moved up 10 spots from the halfway point to finish in fourth at 16:28. Romero from El Segundo fifth at 16:29. Ermish of J. Serra sixth at 16:32. Elliott, Foothill Technology, 7th, 16:34. Emmanuel Hernandez, 8th at 16:46. Jacob Walker of Foothill Technology, 9th at 16:50. Andrew Maurer of Burroughs Ridgecrest, 10th, 16:57. Owen Frank of El Segundo, 11th, 16:59. Zion Ortiz of Burroughs, he was 12th at 17:01. Julian Yormana of Cathedral, 13th. Omar Rosas of Cathedral, 14th, and Dylan Blacker of Nordhoff, our top 15. Cathedral and Foothill Technology have each had 5 runners cross the finish line.
All the way through, all the way through. There we go, y'all. Go ahead and get some water and some data, y'all. Y'all do your best to keep moving. Y'all do your best to keep moving. Great job, fellas. Great job, fellas. Hey, y'all do your best to keep moving, y'all. Y'all do your best to keep moving. Get some water and some Gatorade, fellas. There we go. Keep it moving, y'all. Hey, great race, fellas. Great race, fellas. Get some water and some Gatorade.
Our leaders in the Division 2, Heat 2 of Division 4. We've got Alvarez of LaSalle, Goodell of Wilson, and Burris of San Dimas, and they're coming out to the mile mark. And as they head up the switchbacks, we'll start to give you the scores on that first heat as boys in the third heat line up and get ready to go.
There we go. Keep working, y'all. All the way through. All the way through. Keep working, keep working, keep working. All the way through. Finish.
This is the unofficial quick scoring in that first heat. These are not the official results. They'll be made official by the CIF and posted, but right now we have Cathedral at 46, Foothill Technology at 66, Burroughs Ridgecrest at 70, El Segundo at 83, and Chaminade in that 5th spot at 122. Nordhoff 6th at 136, locking out a 7th at 138. So if they would hold, it would be Cathedral, Foothill Tech, Burroughs, El Segundo, Chaminade would be our first 5 qualifiers. Nordhoff and locking out are very close right now. You have to wait till all the teams finish to make sure their 5 scorers are in the scoring at that point. They are separated by just 2 points for that all-important 6th spot.
All the way through. There we go. There we go. Come on, keep working. Keep working.
Alejandro Alvarez of LaSalle hits the crossover with about a 50-meter lead. Luis Goodell of Wilson running well in second in the yellow top and the maroon shorts. That's Will Sheehy of Harvard-Westlake posing for photos as he goes by the 1.5 miles.
There we go, y'all. Keep walking, y'all. Get some water.
And in this group here, Nakamura of South Pass, Hayden of St. Francis, Mendez of Little Rock, and then here come the Laguna Hills boys, the white tops and the yellow shorts, all 4 of its scorers running well together. Then Raul Burroughs of San Dimas, Sykes of Harvard-Westlake, Sickler of Barstow with his teammate Ramey, Devia of South Pass, Perez of Don Bosco.
Go ahead and get some water and some Gatorade, y'all. Great race, fellas.
Rivas of Korean Lutheran, Ramos, McGeen, and Iniquez. That's our top group there. That's the first 20. Here's our unofficial team quick score at the halfway point. This is halfway, just before they get to the 1.5-mile mark. We've got Laguna Hills at 67, Harvard-Westlake at 82, South Pass 103, Wilson, Hacienda Heights Wilson 105, and in that treasured fifth spot, St. Francis right now at 110. Barstow on the bubble at 6th at 156, Little Rock 168, Ocean View 176, San Marino 205, Don Bosco 228. That's at halfway.
There we go. Finish all the way through, my man. Finish all the way through.
The race lining up to get ready to start will be the third heat in this boys Division 4, the final heat. And as we've been saying all along, this is a 3-heat division. That means the first 5 teams in each race qualify automatically for next Saturday's championship final, held right here at Mount Sac. And then after the 3 races are over, the 6th place team in all 3 heats, they will look at the team time. That's the total time for their first 5 runners on each team. And the team with the fastest team time, the fastest 6th place team, will move on also to join us for the finals. That gives us 16 teams for next Saturday's championship final in Division 4. Individuals, if their team does not make it today, if they place in the top 8, then they will move on also to next Saturday's championship.
Come on, finish. Great job, my man. Great job, my, you all right? You sure? Okay, go ahead.
And this is the Division 4 third heat in this division, third heat in the boys D3.